Hi, my name is Ann Paradise. I'm the early childhood instructor at Moraine Park Technical College. A student that makes a great candidate for the early childhood education program is a student that is nurturing, but also knows how to set boundaries to guide children's behavior. A student that's a good candidate also is organized, open to working with people with all different personality types. You're going to learn how to set up a classroom environment that will keep children safe and healthy. You will also learn, how do I create curriculum and how do I put together activities that are learning but fun for young children, and how to guide children's behavior so that we can nurture their social skills and their emotional skills. There are a number of degrees that students can earn through the early childhood education program. You can start with an infant toddler certificate, which is 4 courses that you can take throughout 2 different semesters. You can also do a preschool certificate, which is 6 courses that you can take within 2 semesters to work with children ages 3 to 5 years of age. That certificate is a part of our 1-year Child Care Services diploma, and that is half of our associate degree. So once you complete that, school's going really well and you're loving it, then stay in the program and complete your 2-year associate degree. The early childhood education program is able to offer you classes in the evening as well as classes in the afternoon. You will also be taking 3 practicum classes where you are placed out into the field, and so you get to experience what it's like to work with infants or toddlers, what it's like to work with preschoolers, and you also get to experience a number of different community early childhood program settings. Many of our students choose to work in a group child care center, and many of them are hired during their schooling and begin working while they're going to school. There's also family child care providers that provide child care in their own home, which is a wonderful option for many people. Head Start programs are a federally funded program that work with low-income children, and for some students that really fits a need for them to serve and give back to the community. There's also the school districts hire program aides within the classrooms. In order to teach in the school system, you need to have a teaching license, and that can only be obtained through a 4-year college. So students often choose to do 2 years with Moraine Park, and we have a number of private and public universities that we have articulation agreements with for students to transfer their credits and continue their 4-year degree. We like to see our students succeed. We have fun in the classroom. We sing in the classroom. We do discussions. We make art projects in the classroom. All of those things that you're going to do in your own classroom with children, we practice with you. Come on in and test the waters with us. That's why we have field placements, and we have you go out and visit some of the early childhood programs so you can determine if working with young children is the right fit for you.